Hey everyone, welcome back. Really quick video. I've had a parcel in. Again, not sure what's in it. Could be anything. So I thought I'll open it up on camera so you guys can see what we've got. It's all very exciting. Then again, if you haven't been following the channel, I've got a few things ordered. So I generally, when things come in, I'm not sure what they're going to be. I mean, good job of packing, whoever did that. Okay, I've already seen it. Get rid of that. Can you see it? It is Simon Games Cthulhu Death May Die. This is brilliant. I've been wanting this one for a while. This was one of my I wouldn't say grail games, but I definitely wanted it from early on, and it was quite hard to find. When I was looking for it originally, it was out of stock everywhere, and then eventually it just popped up on Amazon. So I thought, why not? It's from Simon Games. Now, I might be wrong, but I think it came out in 2019. I mean, that's cool. Is it self-taped? Cool. We're in. And straight away, we've got some. Where to leave my knife? We've got some characters. Or player boards. Player boards, by the look of it. Now, the first negative I can see here, and I don't want this to be full of negatives, because I've generally looked forward to this game quite a bit. These player boards these player boards are just a single sheet of cardboard. Have a bunch of detail on them. I wish they were dual layered, not just flat. But I know they have addressed that in one of the expansions. They come with like a little plastic insert to slide it in now. Shoot first, never ask. Kill. Manchester, England. Dead again. Heads, I win. Best 6 out of 11. Love. Okay, you get plenty of different choices for. I mean, she looks like a psychopath. She looks like a psychopath. So does the nun. Amazing. Right, cool. Put that to one side. The rulebook. So this is my very first Simon Games game. And I've been looking forward to it for a while because this was really hard to find. I was looking in all the online shops and stuff, and eventually it popped up on Amazon. And as soon as it did, I thought I'd take it. Oh wow. Minis. Gotta love some minis, right? Episodes. Cool. So, Cthulhu Death May Die, inspired by the writings of H.P. Lovecraft. So basically in this game, you're going to be trying, well from my understanding, you're going to try and summon an outer god so you can shoot it in the face. And he's going to have these little minions that are trying to summon him so he can kill the world, I'm guessing. I might be wrong. These all look good. It's nice artwork and detail all over them. All of your hearts. This one's already falling out, which isn't a bad thing. At least you know they're not going to like rip off the art and the paper. I mean, they're just popping out, no problem. I hate it when you have to pop out a punch board and it like rips the image. That's when you know it's not a good thing. Where do we start? Should we have a look at some minis? What is this? That's cool. Not sure what it is, but it's cool. Same, don't know what that is. It looks gross. Lots of detail. Nothing broken, which is always a good thing. Is there more? Or is that it? There's more. Ooh, this looks like some sort of leech. Gross. Take everything out for now. I'll worry about making it all neat and tidy later. Huh? And where to? These will be episodes. Episodes 1 to 6. You actually get quite a lot in here. Like you can already see this, like a good amount of hours in all of these. I am going to open up episode 1 because I am a child and I can't wait. More punch boards. Fire. Okay, so that thing is called a fire vampire. Cool. Some cards. Discovery cards. The layout, how to put them up. That's handy. Extinguish fire. Destroy equipment. Okay. Come on. All of those. Nice. Should we just look at Cthulhu, right? I mean, that's why we are all here. For the bad guy. I nearly bought another Cthulhu game instead of this. What was it? I think it was the Eldritch. I think it was that. I really wanted just to get a Cthulhu game because I like the idea of this whole story. And I wanted something a bit darker in the collection. Minions of Cthulhu. More punch board. There he is. The man. He's fierce. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, grotesque. There's the big boy. He's got a dimply butt. That's cool. I have no idea how I'm saying that one. Hasta? I'm going to say Hasta. Could be wrong. More stuff. I'm going to get confused if I don't tidy up a little bit as I go. Disciple cards, mythos, minions, more punch boards, little guys. With a Tommy gun. Sweet. He hasn't even got a face. He's just got a hole where a face should be. Interesting. That's cool. Nice. Have you on there. As I do. Put you there. like how they made him a little bit smaller than Cthulhu, because like, you can't tame the limelight, mate. Big boy's got to be in charge. Where's that from? There. Sleeve. Good. Arkham Santorum. Arkham the card game is something I want as well eventually, but that's like a whole thing, isn't it? That's like a big commitment. I don't know if I've got time for that yet. Also, leave a comment. Marvel Champions or Arkham? Because I'm torn between the two. Tale as old as time. I got my dice. Cool. Got these things. Cool. This guy's got one arm. I mean, the minis are actually really cool and nicely detailed. I don't know if you can see. Fireman. Ooh, which way is it? That way? Or is it that way? Who knows? The nun. I think the nun has to be my favourite so far. A nun with a pistol. You see it? Nun with a pistol. Oh, some more bad guys. Cool. I mean, I don't even know which one I'd be more terrified of at this point. The lychee one sounds grim. But, I mean, the guy with all the legs, imagine that wrapping around you, gross. Anything that flies is always terrifying because it's harder to get away from. Don't know. I mean, I don't know what this thing would do, but it looks like a bad time. He looks a bit gross, but a guy in a cape with no face. I think I'd be more scared of Cthulhu just because he's like the big behemoth looking guy. What are these? Little tracker token things. Right, that's the unboxing. Everything's out. I've made a mess. Right, sorry guys, I was just packing this away and I actually came across more minis. So I thought I'd just nip this in there just so you guys can see. So at the bottom of this, we've seen that one. I don't want to knock it all over, but again, underneath that one is all of this. How did I miss all of that? And it's even got like the tray to tell you where it all goes. So there you go. Even more stuff. Win. So what I can tell, it's got multiple episodes. I know the expansions just give you more and more episodes, so you've got plenty to get on with. I didn't buy any of the expansions because at this moment in time, I play a game and then there's like 20 more I want to play. I just don't see I need expansions in my life just yet. I mean, I've had Frostpunk over there for a week and I've played 3 hours of it so far and haven't even finished the first scenario really. So, I mean, do I need expansions? I know this currently on BG Stats is like 79 on the list, which is amazing. Anything under 100 is an amazing game. It's rated 8.2. Yeah. Cthulhu made a good game, didn't they? They did a good job. Round of applause. Round of applause. I'm going to have some fun with this over the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've played it. Like, comment. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.